Hey guys, what's up? So Xiaomi has announced quite a few phones under the Mi 10 series, but they're not done yet as they will be introducing two new handsets as part of the Mi 10 family. So we have discussed quite a few things about these phones in the past, including the design and some specs. In fact, the entire design of these phones was leaked a few days ago through Amazon, but the specs were not revealed entirely. However, a blog named My Computer has revealed the entire spec sheet of both these phones. So as we already know that these phones will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC, have a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 144Hz IPS LCD, as I told you in the last video, despite claims of it being an OLED display. Also that they will sport a triple camera setup at the back without actual details of the setup. My Computer has revealed that the Mi 10T Pro will have a 108MP primary camera along with a 20MP ultra-wide and an 8MP telephoto, which is nice since the price has to be lower. Also the vanilla Mi 10T will have a 64MP camera instead of the 108MP on the Pro, while sporting the same ultra-wide and telephoto cameras. The Mi 10T would also come with just 6GB of RAM, while the Pro may have 8GB of RAM. Both the phones will have 128GB and 256GB storage variants. Those are the only two differences that can be pointed out as of now between the two handsets. The Mi 10T series, like any other phone in the Mi 10 family, will be made out of glass and metal, which will give them a premium look and feel. There is a 5000 mAh battery to keep the show going on both the smartphones with support for fast charging. The 10T Pro was seen on Amazon Spain for a price of €639 for the 8 plus 128GB variant, while the 8 plus 256GB was seen for €679. The 10T on the other hand was seen for €550 for the 6 plus 128GB variant. These are of course European prices, which are always higher than other countries, so the Indian prices should be lower. These phones might be launched on the 28th of September, so they make their way to the ever-growing list of phones being launched in September, along with the OnePlus 8T and the S20 Fan Edition. Also, Redmi has teased that they will be launching a phone with a 5nm process after Apple announced the iPad Air with the Apple A14, which is the first SoC to be manufactured on the 5nm manufacturing process. The phone is expected to be the Redmi K40 Pro, which should debut in March next year. According to Digital Chat Station, the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 875 processor, have a large battery with a large screen along with a high megapixel camera. Interestingly, he tweeted out Redmi and HM2 this morning, so it seems like the Redmi K40 Pro might use the HM2 image sensor that Samsung has just announced, that comes with a 0.7 micrometers pixel size as against 0.8 on the HM1 and Bright HMX. Also, the company claims that the new image sensors are up to 15% smaller than the predecessor and reduce the height of the camera module by up to 10%, which should result in thinner smartphones or lesser camera bump compared to something like the Note 20 Ultra or the S20 Ultra. The HM2 comes with Super PD, a faster and more effective face detecting autofocus, and 9:1 pixel binning as well as 3x lossless zoom. It seems like a nice upgrade over the HM1 and should deliver better photos and videos. This is the same sensor that might be seen in the Galaxy S21 as well. Last but not the least, Xiaomi has also announced a power bank that can double up as a wireless charging stand. It is a 10,000 mAh power bank with a battery rated at 5600 mAh that ships with a dock. The dock allows you to use the power bank as a vertical wireless charger. It has a slot where you can place the power bank that charges it with the help of pogo pins at speeds of 10 watts. You also have some LEDs at the side which indicates the amount of juice left in the power bank along with the charging status. It comes with a USB-A port that can output a maximum of 27 watts, while the USB Type-C port can output up to 30 watts. So you should be able to charge your phones pretty quickly. What's even interesting is that the wireless charger built in the power bank can also charge your phones at 30 watts. It is available on mi.com in China for 199 yuan or $29, which is really cheap considering the features it offers. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.